The activities that me and Sam usually do, we go hiking, we get a coffee every morning. Sometimes we go out to museums even. It just really depends what Sam enjoys doing. And then I'll take him there so he can enjoy his day out. I really enjoy working for I Help Disability. It's great because you get to meet a lot of different people, and you also get to work with different people and get to do different things and take them out and about. It's a good way of people enjoying themselves and their days instead of feeling so secluded being at home alone by themselves. But yeah, it's very enjoyable. The people are lovely. Everyone's always happy to help, so that's a good thing to be doing at work.